In this video, I am going to be doing some self-care with art. I call it an art spa day. Let's get into it. Hey guys, we are at the Baltimore Museum of Art, and first, before we go inside of there, we are going to be going to Gertrude's, which is a nice restaurant, and I'm very excited. I've never been there. We've got an outside table, so stay tuned because it's gonna be awesome to kick off this art spa day. Reservation for Nadia? We have been seated and it's a beautiful setting. They gave us a little plate of cornbread to start out. Let's try the cornbread. Alright, so we just ordered our food, so let's see what's all around here outside of the art, I should say. Here we have some very nice art, and to be honest, I'm not sure what it is, but it says something, it really does. Take a look at it. Now, as we walk, we'll see a bunch of people, a bunch of sculptures of bodies of people. By the way, I'm your art tour guide here. And this over here is Pablo. It's Pablo Gargallo. So it's an abstract structure of this huge feet. Moving on. This is a really nice art spa day because I'm looking over here at the sculpture garden and I see people having a picnic. This is a great spot to have a picnic. Am I right? We have a bunch of different sculptures that people have created. So cool, they're made of different materials and I just love it. Moving on. Look at the flowers! It's like a flower garden. I'm pretty sure that's what it is actually. Anyways, look at them. Now, over here we have another sculpture. I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's beautiful. So I just got an appetizer, and it is a watermelon gazpacho. If you don't know what that is, it's basically just cold soup. Let's try it. Here we go. That's actually pretty good. This is really good. I like it. I ordered a bunch of food. I am so hungry. Just kidding. I have my family here, Mommy Seed and Daddy Seed. And behind the camera. And so I have the pancake, then the invisible person, which would be Nadia Seed when he's not here. We have some waffles, so I'm gonna be eating some of that. Then Mommy Seed has crab quiche and garden salad. And Daddy Seed has
shrimp and grits.
Shrimp and grits, wow.
Yeah, it's like a grits cake. It's done totally different than I'm used to, but it looks amazing.
Yeah, are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
Let's eat. I'm kicking off my birthday month, and look what they just bought me. It's some mango sorbet. It looks so good, and they bought it themselves on the house. And let's try it. That is so good. That is delicious. So we just got into the art museum and got a map. Let's go check it out. Can you guess what this is a picture of? It's actually a picture of Noah's Ark. It's a picture of the animals going into the ark. It's cool. Daddy Seed, can you guess what this is a depiction of?
The ark.
Jeez, how do you guess that so fast? I bet there's a genie inside of there. In a still life room, and I remember that we painted still lifes in school once. Have you ever painted a still life? I really like still lifes. I think they're cool. What do you think? There's a lion, and that's me because I'm a Leo. Yeah, I'm a Leo, and it's Leo season. Hashtag Leo season. So this is Little Dancer by Edgar Degas, and this is actually one of Nadia Seed's favorite artwork, and it's really cute. I love it. I'm going to see if I can recreate the pose. Let's see. Okay. Did I do it? Look at this sculpture. I think it looks pretty cool, but I think it needs some arms though. Let me help. Whoa, look at this one. This is so cool. Whoa. And look at the legs, but it gets smaller as it goes. Brilliant. It's brilliant, isn't it brilliant? It's just, oh, I get it. It's like one of those Russian dolls. Like a doll inside of a doll and gets smaller as you go or bigger as you go down. That's cool. That's actually really smart. Oh, this is so cool. I thought we can only go around it, but it looks like we can go in. Let's go, come on. Whoa. Oh my gosh, you have to see this. Art. It looks like I'm walking inside of a spray paint rag. How cool is that? Woo! What do you like to do at art museums? Do you like to read the signs, or do you just like to point out which ones you like? I like this one. I like this one. I like this one. I like this one. At the water because I wanted to do some meditation for my art spa day. So let's go ahead and do some. Because what's more beautiful than nature's art? There's an ice cream truck. Can we get some ice cream? Whoa, it's right there. Oh, that is a food truck. Never mind. I'm back at home and continuing my art spa day, and now I'm going to be painting some very artistic styles on my nails. Let me ask you a question. Have you subscribed? If you haven't, make sure you go do that and turn on those notifications because it really helps my channel grow and I can keep making fun videos for you. Anyways, as always, watch another video right now in full, and let's make it not normal, then new normal with Nadia. Bye!